Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing quite well because the market is pumping. Look, and our trade on Ethereum is back at break even if you don't consider the funding. Oh my god. And also, we did lower the average entry price, which is 2,700 now, which is for this bull run. This trade is going to be absolutely fantastic. So, but this video is not for me to show off that my trade is kind of coming back. What I want to give you in this video is some real, as they call it in crypto space, real alpha. Because there is some really big news. And the reason I wasn't making many videos is because there wasn't any shit to talk about. But in this video, I'm going to show you why this move could actually be quite real. And why you should pay attention right now. Because the momentum is happening right now. And there is something, I actually, watch this video till the end. I know I always say this, but watch this really watch it till the end. Because at the end, I'm going to give you something. I'm going to give you all the context, all the details, and then I'm going to give you a cherry on top. And that cherry, no one, and I repeat myself, no one, and I guarantee this, nobody has ever spoken about this in crypto YouTube yet. I'm going to be the first one, and it's going to paint a very good picture as to what is happening very deep inside. And that's something that my analysts in Crowlow Capital were able to uncover. And it is a very interesting thing. So let's just move on. As you can see, yeah, Bybit trade is doing quite okay. I still haven't scaled it further because I kind of want the price to go maybe have another dip lower. But so far, actually our prediction, look, because I'm not removing the drawings, the prediction is looking quite good. And it's happening. Like if you look at Bitcoin, it's almost perfect. Look at it. This is the prediction and I didn't remove it. So call me Mr. Spot on down in the comments, and guys, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And certainly, as you can see, I'm trading over on Bybit, and with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses of actually real money. And you can also, if you're a whale and you trade with more than $100,000, you can actually get a 42% discount on trading fees if you use my link. And if you already have an account, you can create a new one using a different form of identification, such as, for example, a driver's license. So anyway, chill out of the way. Before we get to the juice of the video, what I also wanted to mention, because there is so many things to discuss today, and it's going to be really juicy, so it's going to be worth your while. But one thing I wanted to mention, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. Quite frankly, I've seen so many people in my community, they always ask me, Thomas, teach me how to trade. What do you do this? How do you pick out the coins? How do you manage a hedge fund? How do you do so much marketing? How do you have 11 different income streams? Because I actually have 11 different income streams, YouTube being just one of them, and probably one of the smallest ones, quite frankly, in social media in general. And I have so many things in funds and partnerships and marketing and affiliate marketing. I'm a genius in affiliate marketing. You probably, those who know, those know. And that is something that actually is able to produce financial results for you from literal zero. Because if you don't have at least a few thousand or a few tens of thousands of dollars, how can you get into investing or trading? It's just retarded. Let's be honest about it. So if you have 50 bucks and you're trying to make money in trading, you're pretty stupid. So therefore, you need to build cash flow. And for that, you need a big working machine around you. I've built my own machine, and you've seen I live at a big mansion in Dubai. I have a Bugatti, I have a bunch of supercars and etc. And this life is expensive. How I do it? By building cash flow and by building different income sources so that if one dies, I have the rest. And for this, I'm launching a revolutionary product which is called the Game Changer, and I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description of this video to this website right here where you can join the waiting list. This is basically going to be, it's not going to be some courses for thousands of dollars. No, this thing here at most will cost $1 a day. And it is designed to teach you everything from mindset to spirituality to making money from zero and such things as high ticket closing or affiliate marketing to proper investing strategies, as well as trading strategies and proper other business creation and team building strategies, etc. So there is so many things that's going to be in the Game Changer. And if you're interested in something like this to go from zero to hero, then the Game Changer will be the place where you're going to change your game. So therefore, link to it down in the description of this video. It's going to be the biggest revolution in the world of online communities, because Game Changer is a community of people globally, and as an online university where you get access to all of the information for literally $1 a day. So making it accessible to everyone from India all the way to United States and Hamptons, etc. So anyway, moving on. First thing I want to mention in terms of the news, and I know there's a lot of ads in this video, but it's all important. So thank you very much for understanding and using the product to your own advantage. So first of all, China is about to drop a $420 billion stimulus package to subside consumers and local governments. So the moral of the story here is that the money printer is about to go burr everywhere. And it's already going everywhere. So the next good news is that Trump is actually back in the lead. And at some point he was like 53, so he was like 6-7% ahead of Kamala, which is amazing. And you remember that he's much better. You might not like him, whatever, it's up to you, it's fine. But when it comes to crypto, if you're a crypto person and you believe in self-sovereignty, self-custody, and actually the future of the industry, Trump is your choice, not Harris, because it is just freaking obvious. And many other reasons too, quite frankly. But let's not get political. So next thing is that Powell just, I think yesterday, has spoken at Jackson Hole, and he has said that his confidence has grown that inflation is on the path to 2%, and that the time for a policy to adjust is here. So we just cemented a rate cut in September, and this is what we need. And I think that until then, we're going to see some kind of a consolidation, maybe some kind of smaller up move or down move, whatever. And then we finally will be going into this. Because this is where we are standing right now, guys. So if you've been strong, if you've been accumulating Bitcoin, other altcoins together with me, you're going to be rewarded. In the next 12 months, this is going to be the most parabolic run ever. I think Bitcoin is going to surprise everyone. Because even if we look at ETFs, the ETFs are accumulating like absolute beasts. Okay, let me renew this. So Ethereum is a little bit slow. Nothing as much is happening, but I think this is going to pick up as well just because the narratives always shift. And here, what we were saying is yesterday alone, $250 million was accumulated by Bitcoin spot ETFs. Insane. Look at this accumulation. It continues, guys, and it will continue. Now, coming to the juice of this video, and that is right here. I know it might look a little bit complicated, but this is 2021. This is what my team of analysts at Crowlow Capital and Crowlow Ventures has uncovered, because again, my analysis, not just my analysis, I have a team of analysts who help me manage the money, etc. So what we've noticed, and this is the Binance additions of different tokens on futures. So, there's always a lot of tokens coming on to spot, but this is one thing. Usually, there has been an interesting coincidence that whenever we see Binance listing a shit ton of different altcoins on futures, like even some of them even are so tiny, like 20 million market cap, 50, 100, etc., which are normally not being added to futures trading, maybe spot, yes, but not futures. And usually when we see a bunch of different smaller altcoins being added constantly to futures on Binance, usually, as here in 2021, this is where they were doing so much of it, like DYDX, Mina, Farm, MBOX, CLV, Flow, etc. So many of them, and then we had a parabolic move. So this actually, these additions were preceded, and actually, no, after these additions, we've seen a lot of liquidity injection. So therefore, we can assume that whenever Binance is adding so many of these to futures, they're expecting huge liquidity to come and the actual pumps to come because they want to make money. That's why they're adding them. So, and look what is happening right now. So here is the chart. We've had BB, we had Notcoin, ZK, Zero, Lista, G, Alpha, Sun, Popcat, VIDT, etc. So many of them to futures. Again, not just spot, to futures. So if you believe this coincidence, what we are seeing right now is the repetition of 2021 right here before the actual next huge leg up. So this is what we are thinking right now, that in the next probably, maybe this is already the beginning of this leg up, that we're actually going to move higher, and then just like my drawing, and actually going to hit something like 100K even before October, maybe even October, November, December, before the end of the year. Very, very, very possible. So for this reason, I'm not selling anything. I'm only waiting if there's going to be another correction just to scale everything further. Because honestly, I think that this is where we're standing. And this is this real alpha. If you look at Binance and what you normally precedes this and what actually comes after these kinds of moves by Binance, because they are also predicting liquidity and nice pumps, and they want to make as much money as possible. And this is what we're seeing right now. So if you guys are ready for this wild ride, congratulations, you deserve it, because you've stood strong together with us. And guys, check out this quick tutorial popping up on your screen as to how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with proper risk and money management. Remember about buy bet bonuses down in the description of this video, and also about Game Changer. We're going to be launching this in the first week of September. So if you want to really scale yourself in the next 12 months, Game Changer, if you pay attention, you work hard in Game Changer, you're going to get a chance to get a job, to build cash flow, understand investing, become part of a big trading club on the inside as well, and just scale yourself in 20 different topics of this life and better yourself and make the best version of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.